because they are the fraction who Pratibha and Shalini, if elected, whoever will work for. So we'll begin with Shalini.
Good evening, everyone. Before I go to the topic or discussion for election, I would like to introduce myself. I am Shalini Tripathi, a third-year PhD student from the Materials Research Center, and I am contesting for the post Secretary of Women's Affairs. Well, I have been in IISc since last 2.5 years, even more. Out of keen interest, I have participated in various ventures of Student Council. As a volunteer, I have been there in Sangam, Samanvay, Notebook Drive, and also some other social causes in Karnataka, such as Kundavati River Rejuvenation Project, Voter Registration Awareness Program, and all. Being a part of these ventures, it has been giving me quite a bit of experience to tackle micromanagement level problems as well. Personally, I believe that in order to have a smooth operating research life, the students should not gather any external motivations in day-to-day life. As my everyday discussion with my friends and acquaintances, what I have found is that there are very small and major and minor problems existing here that can be, in fact, definitely should be solved right away. As well as there are some serious issues too. Those issues I'll address now. Related to security concerns in ladies, I'll be working for the availability of lights, guards and cameras at strategic locations. And by lights, I mean to say the lights with street lights which are functional, which are not just there for the show. And then it will make easier for the, not only girls, other students also, for going from apartment to room, during those 9 hours, it will be at least 3 or 3. Next, guards will be there at all the construction sites in order to prevent any misbehavior from the workers. Another issue related to security in each ladies' hostel, it has to be strengthened and it is a need of the hour, not only just after any mishap or security breach is happening, it is in order to avoid those at the utmost. Coming very brief and precise to the health concern issues. I came up with a periodic checkup and awareness camp plans. Next, also having a provision of a lady doctor in the security health center, not only a nurse during the emergency hours. And if possible, there will be a visit to the ladies' hospitals if required. Related to the ladies' hostel, there is actually a lot more things to work on, and it has to be taken care regarding the repair of water taps, flushes, toilet seats, roofs and ceilings which are actually falling. Now, adding to this, as far as water feedback, I would like to have revised Indian toilets, more number, functional and working. Then, most important issue to solve here is the disposal of the sanitary napkin, and we'll try to solve this problem as soon as possible. As we all know, we already have an IISc Women Forum on Facebook, where we have considered a additional number of women join there. We try to make out the networking as strong as possible, and also we try to add more people. Plus, this will provide us with a very clear and working agenda, needs and requirements for the welfare of women present in IISc student community, and it can be only done if we stand up and speak up for ourselves. Now, lastly, to strengthen my points, I'd like to quote Malala Yousafzai. We cannot all succeed if half of us are held back. Thank you.
Thank you, Shalini. For obvious reasons, she is she is contesting for Secretary Women's Affairs. The questions will be taken from the women members present here. So questions, because they are the ones who will elect her. You will get a clarification from the returning officer. Yes, Pratibha.
So I just have a question regarding sexual harassment.
Yes, I am. And recently
Started conducting compulsory workshops and talks.
I'll repeat the question.
hello.
My question is regarding sexual harassment community. Since are we going to do? Because I think that is quite active and there are committee members which are there and women's secretary, women's affairs cannot be part of it. So what is there extra to be done or can be done by you or whoever gets it today? Or is there a need?
First thing, there is already a women's secretary. You are saying this since it's already there. Last time, we all know there were some issues which happened. It was directly passed to the harassment cell completely. I see the women body which was there. It's not that active. Plus, the members, we have our Facebook pet forum. We all know, but though they were not the ones who was informed about any procedure it was taken. So I want to say a student women forum. Our women secretary cell will consist of proper networking. There will be representatives from each hostel, each floor, something like that. The person who are in direct contact, like we can address these problems within ourselves, at least first. Then we take this.
Yes.
So what's your take on self-defense? Will you advocate and support it? What's your take on self-defense?
Self-defense and what do you do?
Already there have been programs, camps of self-defense. Yeah, I'll promote it, definitely. We try to organize those workshops again and we try to make it functional. We request all the women if at least take up some time to join it, not just think that they go and go away.
Basically, guys, we were.
In your manifesto you have written that you would like to solve the monkey menace in NGH, which we all know is a really painful thing. So how do you plan to solve the menace? See, cutting trees is not a solution, and putting up fences is not a solution, and putting up fences is not a solution, cutting down trees is not a solution. How do you plan? What is your plan?
Yeah, answer the question. You've put in your manifesto that you will build fences around the girl hostel or peripheral hostel. And what is your plan to implement that? That is what she is asking.